Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys vivo phone guys camera setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you how to use Pano camera setting, panorama camera setting on vivo mobile. Friends, you want to use your panorama camera setting on your device. So friends, how to use it in this video friends, we will talk about one by one and step by step. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your phone camera. After on guys camera friends, you can see night mode camera setting here, portrait mode camera setting here, photo and video guys we can make from here. Friends, click on more option. Friends, you can see panorama camera setting. And friends, if you take photo on panorama, so friends you can take photo like that on your device. And friends, you can check your Pano camera setting. Friends, you can see photo will shoot like that on your device. So guys, again we will take one more photos. So we will start our photo, and friends you can take this landscape photo on your device. Click here, photo will save. And friends, you can see photo will show like that on panorama camera setting. So like that friends, you can use guys your panorama camera setting. Friends, click here and you can take photos. Friends, you want to delete photo, you want to edit this photo, click here. Friends, you want to edit any mark option guys, circle. Friends, you want to edit, choose color, and friends you can edit here. And friends, you want to mark here, so you can mark here and you can edit right side. Click here and photo will save. So friends, I will not save, I will delete this photo. So like that friends, we can use panorama camera setting on vivo mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys.